travel to Canada.
Hey guys, what's up? We've come to the Can, and how cool is that? We've come to see the view tower, and today we've traveled from Beantown. Just look at the view from the tower, and what are we going to do next?
There's a room there, 1742. I'm going to talk to you about that in a few moments, but there are two things to see there. Look at the beautiful cars, a Ferrari and a Lamborghini right there at the Queen Elizabeth Hotel. And look on the left, quickly on the left, you see the overture ring and an aluminum structure to say hello to everyone that comes to Montreal. And in room 1742 at the top of the Queen Elizabeth building, there was a couple who stayed there 10 days in bed, and they wrote a song, and they recorded it right there in room 1742 in 1969. What's the song? All we are saying is give peace a chance. Come on, I'm a singing guy. Relax, you're on vacation. Oh, where are the people? Yes, so you might not know, or maybe you do, that Montreal is an island. Yes, you're on an island. It's 51 kilometers long by 17 kilometers wide. And look on the right at the top of the building. Oh, you see the Olympic rings? Ah, that's the Canadian Olympic Association. Their offices are here in Montreal. To the right, look at the church, St. Patrick. Why is the steeple on the wrong side? Because in 1831, the city was on the opposite side. So the St. Patrick Church's steeple is on the side of the old city. We're heading there now. In front of our left, there's a green building. Look up and you'll see a large yellow sign and the beautiful Quebec flag. It represents our hydroelectric company, which generates electricity and is owned by the Quebec government. We don't use coal or nuclear power. Instead, we have clean, renewable energy from rivers and dams. Surprisingly, we have more than needed. Did you know? So we have to sell electricity. We offer a great price, although expensive for our friends in Maine, Connecticut, and all the way to Manhattan. We even supply some of their buildings. Manhattan is heated and lit by the electricity of the province of Quebec, so you'll notice we speak French and English here in the city. Mostly downtown is bilingual, traditionally in. Alright, if you want to become a Canadian citizen, you'll go to the right to the building complex of Guy. This is a federal building, and you'll see the big Canadian flag right there on the corner, and this is where you want to go. When you come and live with us, they'll give you your passport. They'll make you sing "Oh Canada" in French and English. Yes, yes, yes. Did you know that "Oh Canada" was a French song translated afterwards? And then they'll give you a hockey stick and a mousse.